Not only can't you hear, but typically when you're on equipment like this, in this condition, you have to wear hearing protection because the decibel level of the equipment will damage your hearing. So in addition to the noise of the equipment, you have hearing protection in that reduces further your ability to hear your surroundings. It's not safe, it's not practical, it's not what we need to do anymore. So this is the alternative. Where do you want me to go? Complete control, never lose torque, horsepower. The only machine in the world that you can do that with. Don't worry, I know what your camera costs. And whip to drive. Future construction.